Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C17 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the password and biometrics. Now let's tap on Add Fingerprint and tap on Continue. So if you do not have the lock screen, so the pattern pin or password, you will have to set it right now before actually setting the fingerprint. So let's do it quickly. And right now we can add our fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me do it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of it for better recognition. Okay. Okay, let's tap on Continue. I don't want to unroll the face unlock. And here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it or rename it just by tapping on it. Add another fingerprint and decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So the screen unlock, app lock and private safe. It's up to you. So let me lock the device. Let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, it has been immediately unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.